Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Got a little helper with me today.
Hi.
Got my son Cameron. So, what are we doing today? Well, today, I don't know if you've seen on the socials, but I won quite a few products off of Instagram. From Autobright Direct, and I'm going to do a little video on cleaning the bike because I don't know if you can see this, but there's bugs all over. She's filthy. So, with a little bit of help from Mini-Me, we're going to do a video on how to clean an Africa Twin. Shall see you after the intro. Right, Cameron.
Yeah.
First things first, alright? As my assistant in this video, if you look on here, they're all numbered. 2, 2, 2. The clay kit has got a number on inside, and then we've got the finish, but we have got other things to do in there. Right?
Okay.
So, can you please pass me the wheel, number 1, the wheel cleaner.
The wheel cleaner.
So, start off with, we're going to just start with the wheels.
Yep.
Yeah? And we're just going to completely spray all the wheels, all the way around, both sides. Get as much on there as we possibly can. I don't know if you can see inside there, but all the crap, and it's already starting to work its magic. Whilst that's just working its magic for a couple of minutes,
Yeah.
right? Can you pass me the first number 2? Thank you very much. And you also see that little box?
Yep.
Can you pass me that box?
This one?
That one, yeah. Right. So, we put the correct brush head on, the engine bay, grab the spray, just absolutely soak it into there,
Okay.
and the other side.
You're going to let it work its magic?
Let it work its magic, but can you see all where these bugs are?
Yep.
Yeah, can you spray all the bugs, because they're going to be the hard ones to get.
Yep.
Yeah, all around on the screen here. Look, just douse it, get it in, get it wet.
Okay. Oh, we almost forgot this one.
Right then,
Okay.
whilst we're just letting that soak in, now what we're going to do is we're just going to lather up these wheels. Yeah?
I'll do the second wheel.
That's a bit. Really, really lather them up.
If you have one of these bikes, stick around to the end, and you can actually be able to really clean your one of these bikes.
It's called an Africa Twin.
An Africa Twin. It's banana gloss high gloss shampoo.
It is. Right then. So you remember you just sprayed all the engine casing?
Yep.
Yeah? So now we're just going to use this brush just to get into all these nuts and crannies here. And here.
Yep.
And get through the top.
Autobright Direct banana gloss shampoo. Not that we're advertising.
Not sponsored.
Right, whilst I'm finishing up doing this bit,
Yep.
if you come round here,
I already have it.
you already have it?
Yep.
Right then, what I need you to do, yeah you are, what I need you to do
Yep.
is I need you to pour a little bit in the bucket for me.
Okay.
A little bit more, give it a squeeze. There you go. Right.
Oh, it smells like banana.
Now get that handle. Put that handle in there.
Okay. Okay, we finally got the entire thing.
Alright.
We've almost got the entire thing filled.
Yep, go on then.
I don't know if you'll be able to hear me over the jet wash, but just spraying this on, it's bringing all of these off.
That's kind of full.
Yeah, you think that's enough?
Just a bit more.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay. Just pop that down then.
Right then, can you pick that bucket up for me?
Yep.
Um...
Oh god, this is hard.
Right then, now, because we've already got a pre-wash on there,
Yep.
we're not really going to need to do much to it, okay?
Yep, fine. I
So-
probably need one.
Tell you what, if you grab the spare sponge, and this is your mother's sponge, isn't it? Yeah?
Okay.
So, all we're going to do is we're just going to dip it in. Do not drop it on the floor.
You know
Be
what?
careful.
I'm going to use my sponge. Can I please use my
That's,
sponge?
just use that sponge for me.
That is now your sponge. Alright?
That's not my sponge.
Just go over everything. Yeah?
Okay.
Go over absolutely everything with the bowl. Okay?
Looks like a child's mitt. Stop him from scratching himself.
But it's good for doing stuff.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my bike. Right, now comes the fun part. Right?
Purple stuff?
The purple stuff. So, we've moved this, you can move this book here.
Oh, is this the foam?
What?
Foam.
Now let's
Right.
show.
So,
Now it's time for the fun stuff.
yeah,
The
so
pink.
This is the fun stuff.
what
The
we're going to
purple
do,
stuff.
It smells like Parma violet.
right, is I'm going to put
Not.
a
Parma
big
violets are sweets.
squeeze into there. Yeah?
Caroline.
Big squeeze into there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over to here.
Kind of reminds me about Grandma.
Does it? Because it's called violet.
Yeah.
There we go. The whole bike.
Cover it in purple.
Cover it in purple stuff as much as you can.
Okay.
Both sides though, okay? Everywhere.
So good.
Go on then. Get the bike off the floor.
Not me.
Come around this side then. Come around this side. You got to be quick. Yeah?
Why?
Because it runs out quite fast.
Not when you're spraying it on that.
Oh, that smells so nice.
It does, don't it?
Yeah.
Right, stop a second. Stop 1 sec.
ASMR.
So the bike's had a really, really good wash now, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Alright. So what we need to do now, put that back on there. Need to get the lance out. Stick the lance on hard. Alright.
Balance is hard.
My lance is always hard. clay kit.
The clay kit.
Warm it up, because it's quite firm.
That's what she said.
Little circle,
Like that.
just to keep folding it. Then
Until
with the
it-
spray, just there you go. There we go. Got it coming through now.
Yeah.
Okay. So then obviously, whilst we've still got a wet panel, we're just going to spray it onto the bike. And then with this little bit of clay, we're now just going to do circular and up and down motions. And although the bike looked clean, it's not actually bringing off. You can see the crap that's still coming off the bike. Your next bit now, because what I need to do afterwards is I need to dry the bike before we can do the polishing.
The final one, not crystal.
Yeah, but I'll do that when the bike is completely dry and every panel is completely dry.
Yeah, I'll do the final one.
Okay then. So if you go get the crystal, and if you can see in there, you can see the green towel.
I guess now all we need to do is
Not
dry
yet. Yeah, we need to dry the bike first, don't we?
Now all
Right.
we need to do is dry the bike.
You need to clean. Your job now
Yep.
is to clean the glasses and the lenses with that towel.
So like the mirrors and everything as well. That's it. Give it a good wipe.
I'm gonna use the other side because it's not really working.
Don't need to worry about the inside for a minute. Your dad can sort that because he can reach it a little bit better.
I think this is mainly meant to be used on metal work, but be professional, Kay. You've got the
I
camera.
don't care if there's a wasp near me, I'll throw the camera.
Right.
Is it
As
real
you can
good?
see, that the black is still coming
Is it
off,
real good?
and that water is
Disgusting.
disgusting.
I'm feeling it real good.
Well done.
For me?
If you want to go and get, if you go put that in the bin for me. Now, just a case of drying the bike off. There's a lot easier ways of doing it. Potentially air dryers, stuff like that. Hint, hint, wink, wink, Kaylee.
What? Do you want me to go and get my hairdryer out so you can blast it with that?
No, you can get proper motorcycle, proper car and motorcycle ones that blast air out and get all the water.
Well, if a hairdryer's good enough for me, darling, it's good enough for a bike.
No.
Okay, I'm back. And I've done that. So I guess we're finished now.
Loki, stop.
Well guys, that's just a quick insight of how to clean an Africa Twin using the Autobright direct products. Again, I won a competition over on Instagram, got sent all these products, minus a couple of them which I've purchased myself. Amazing products, highly recommend them. I'll leave Autobright's website in the link in the description.
And if you were new here into this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe. And also, comment which is your favourite product out of all of them.
Thank you very much, mate.
And also, follow my dad's Instagram, at Cartwheels.
Brilliant, thank you. Right guys, I hope you've liked this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you stay safe, and I hope to see you out there.